Hi guys, Daniel here, and today I'm going to show you how I generated 3,915 leads in 30 days with Facebook ads for free in 2020. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in your business. So I don't have any course, I don't have anything to sell you at the end of this. This is going to be 100% straight value. I'm going to show you the strategy, exactly what I did. I'm going to go into the Facebook ads and show you how to set up your campaign, and just a full entire campaign rundown of how you can implement this in your business and generate this many leads from cold traffic with Facebook ads for free. So if you like this kind of content, please drop a like right down below, and let's get into my computer. Okay, here we are on my computer now. I'm going to go through and break down the ad. For you to be aware, this ad was run for the business I'm a part of, which is a high-ticket physical products e-commerce business. We sell two-way radios with an average order value of probably around $300. But this type of campaign should work for any business to consumer, B2C business of pretty much any type, because the human psychology that it's based around is the same in virtually all cases. It may work in B2B as well, but I have not tried it, so this is going to be more of a B2C tutorial. Okay, so let's go into this campaign. Now, as you can see, I've got my time period here, December 17th through January 17th of 2019 to 2020, of course. So a 30-day period, and this is the campaign right here. The second one, lead giveaway, Anytone Christmas giveaway, and as you can see, it's completed, obviously. So we were running this on a budget of around 100 to 120 as the campaign progressed. We spent around just over $3,000 right there, and we actually were able to convert over $3,296 worth of conversion. So that's people that saw this ad and as a result directly went to our store and purchased a product. Now remember, this is not a conversion ad. This is a lead gen ad. So the fact that we got any conversions at all is amazing, and that's why this is a free. We got these leads for free because, as you can see, our return directly from this ad, this is not any residual business from these leads, this is just straight from this ad, is 1.8x of the spend. So we made money getting leads, basically, which is just incredible, because most people are paying for leads and they're taking a loss when they first are running the ads. But I've figured out a way to run the ads and actually make money or break even doing it immediately. Okay, so we'll go into here. We got 12 purchases. As see our results here. So we got 3,651 from this ad, and then I have right above it is our retargeting ad. So I actually was doubled down, and you can actually, this is a bit more advanced, and I'll go over it at the end, but you can retarget people that saw the original ad, to the giveaway ad, right, to opt in, but didn't actually opt in, and then you retarget those people, and as you can see here, we were able to get 264 additional leads that we would have normally lost just by retargeting those people. Okay. As you can see, our cost per result, about $1 for that one, about 84 cents, and this is an average over the 30-day period. Now I can tell you that our costs were lower in the beginning, and then they steadily kind of increased as the month progressed. So we can take a look here, from the 17th to say the 24th, costs were 50 cents a lead, right? So really good, really low. And then kind of as we got through the month, the cost went up a little bit, but not too bad. They went up to about $1. So but by the time it closed, those are acceptable numbers. I was looking to keep it under $1 a lead, and we definitely hit that. So going here, we have our impressions. Lots of impressions, almost 300,000. Frequency is not that high, only about 4, and just really great. And then you want to obviously track also your video views. If you're running a video, you can see kind of how many, how much people engage. And as you can see here, a lot of people were really into the content. 50%, 75%. They're watching the video, but only a fraction of even those people actually went and put in their email and sign up for the giveaway. So let's go break down this campaign. So as you can see here, I got my campaign. We'll go ahead and just click edit on the campaign level, and I'm going to go ahead and go through this process with you and make a whole new ad campaign so you can watch how I do it. So here we go. We got our lead generation objective, daily budget $120 per day. We've set the end date to just the 17th or whenever it was. I went with lowest cost bid strategy, just standard delivery, ads run all the time, that kind of thing. So pretty standard. Go into the ad set level here, and I don't know if I did on this one, but you're gonna want to do campaign budget optimization. Select that when you create the ad. Campaign CBO is what it's called. Didn't really name that, as you can see here. Budget and scheduling, just start date and then an end date of January 16th. Now, this is probably one of the most critical parts is actually getting your audience dialed in. So this type of campaign, the giveaway lead gen campaign, and pretty much any lead gen campaign for that matter, will get better the more times that you do it. Because what will happen is the first time that you run this campaign, you'll probably, if you have like no list at all and you're just completely starting cold, you're just gonna send these ads to a general audience of interest-based targeting, based on what you think your people are into. So like if I was selling like dog bowls, I'm going to target like dog owners or like people that like dog content or whatever like that. But then once you do your first one, you'll then have a list of people that signed up for this giveaway, and then you can put that as an audience in Facebook and then create a lookalike audience, which I can show you in a second. Okay, which is super cool. So the more times you run this type of campaign, the more dialed in your traffic will be, until Facebook is like, oh, this is the kind of person that needs to sign up for this, and they're going to show it to the exact people that you want. So this was actually created based on that. So these are like lookalike campaigns. I've got a list export, lookalike of that list export. And then what you can do as well to avoid sending these ads to people that are already on your list is you can simply exclude people that are on your list. So see how I've done here, excluding everyone except marketing list. So that's our main list for our business. Just got a few other targeting variables in for our demographic. You can still do interest targeting even with your lookalikes to kind of define the parameters, but Facebook's pretty smart. So going down, just do automatic placements. Facebook just knows best, let them handle it, and then you go down to your ads. Okay, here, so I've got my my ad set up here. If at all possible, please run this campaign with the video. Video is going to be the best way to run this campaign. I would make a video, and I'll watch this video and then the new video we just made, and kind of break down the elements of it and what you need to put in. It's really simple. The video should be less than a minute, really easy to make. And if you just cannot make videos or you just don't want to, you can do it with a picture, but I can just guarantee you it's not going to be as good. Facebook just likes video. People like video, and engaging video is going to win over a picture, any day of the week. And it helps as well with targeting and following up with people later. So please do a video if at all possible. Going down here, your primary text and your headline and description. For this ad, we actually only did one of each. Ideally, you would have multiple variations, and I'll go over this new ad that we're running. And Facebook's actually gotten a really cool system to where you can dynamically test the different copy. It'll test all the different variations for you, and you don't have to do anything. You literally just punch in the copy into the different boxes and just let it run, and Facebook will automatically test everything. It's getting to be a really automatic process. Okay, so if you want to be real easy about it, when you come up with a good video script, just write the script down and make that your primary text and headline and description. And the cool thing about having a Facebook lead gen ad is you don't even need your own landing page or your own website if you don't have one. And it's actually better to not have one because people sign up on Facebook right in Facebook. They don't go anywhere else. So the conversions you get, like when we switched from sending people to our landing page to having them sign up on Facebook, our conversions about doubled and our costs like went in half. So it's amazing. So on your Facebook, let's just go over here. On your lead form, so as you can see here, we have a nice picture at the top. Sign up for the entire $1,053.95 giveaway. So this is again reaffirming what they're supposed to do. We kind of go over the stack of what they get, what it's worth, and then again the call to action and the expectation of when the winner will be drawn. So winner will be drawn then. Sign up by providing your info below. They go here and then they just have to put in their email, full name, and call sign. Now this is one thing that you probably won't have, and this is a qualifier, I guess. People that we sell our products to have a specific license, and so this helps us define who can sign up to this giveaway. Now, if you don't have one of those, it's not a huge deal, but if you do have something like that, it will definitely get you more qualified people into your giveaway and into your email list. So real simple, Facebook will actually pre-populate these two things. So all the person has to do is just pretty much click next, and then if they do that, they just go to the privacy policy, they just click submit, and then boom, they're signed up. Set expectations, when it will be drawn, 1/17/2020, stay tuned. So this kind of sets them up to like keep engaging with your content and stay on the list so they can know if they want or not. And then just a link to the website or perhaps the product you were giving away. Very critical, you need to give away, whatever you're giving away, you need to give away a product that you're actually trying to sell. Do not just give away some random product. You need to give away something you're actually trying to push, something you're trying to sell, because this will not only help your target customers convert better, but also it will promote your product without actually like looking like it's product promotion, right? Because by showing them this product, you're getting that in their minds. They're thinking about the product, they're thinking about what they could do with it if they won. That they're future pacing, and then a lot of these people will end up converting into customers and buying the product that you showed them originally. So we can actually take a look at this video. Do you want to win over $1,000 worth of DMR radios? Well, click the link. So there I started off with a yes question. Yes, they want to win that stuff. There's a hook, nice and engaging. Below to learn how to enter. We are given, and then right after that, a call to action, telling them to, if they want to do that, go down right now to go ahead and enter the giveaway. A brand new, fresh off the boat, Anytone ATD 578 UV3 Pro tri-band DMR mobile. In addition, an Anytone ATD 878 UV Plus dual band DMR for the 87. 2 free colors are made for each product. So there I just go through the value stack, as it were, and tell them all the cool things that they're going to get in this giveaway. Just like really juicing the offer up, like, making it just a no-brainer to sign up for this. Both the handheld and the mobile, $53, and grand total winnings to $1,053.95 worth of brand new DMR equipment. So click the link below to enter the giveaway now. Look forward to seeing you on the list. This is Daniel, N0REY with Bridgecom Systems, 7-3. So there again, I just did a call to action, reaffirmed what they're getting, and told them to go below, and then I closed out, and that's all you needed to do. So it's literally just intro, hook them on the front of the ad, and then just tell them to go do what you want, tell them what they're going to get, tell them again, call to action, close. It's not very hard, and I can actually put links to these exact videos for you in the comments, so you can see and model my exact videos, and basically just shoot your own versions of them for your stuff.